I am with S. Lee, and most small business owners don't have the time, energy, or effort to actually answer the phone because they're wearing many hats or they're actually doing the service themselves. And so that creates a very poor experience for people that are finding businesses on the Google platform. So Google doesn't want that. Google wants for people that find businesses on their platform to have a great experience. And that's why it's so important that the phone calls and the messages are responded to in 30 seconds or less. Because who likes to make a phone call to a business and then have to wait to get a hold of somebody or have to go to a voicemail or to send a message lead and have it responded to a day later? Google keeps track of this. You can see if you go to the local service ad section, it'll say typically replies in minutes or typically replies in days. So who do you think is going to get most of the leads that are message leads? It's going to be the businesses that actually typically reply in minutes. And I can tell you the only way that you're consistently going to be able to do that is if you have an AI agent that responds instantly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You're going to get better results. You're going to get a higher conversion rate, and you're ultimately going to make more money.
Let's get your appointment scheduled then. Can I please start by getting your full name?
My name is Stefano.
Great, thanks, Stefano. I'll go ahead and schedule an appointment for you, and I'll send the confirmation over to that email address. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, any chance that you come on Monday to take a look at my oven?
Sure, let me check our availability for Monday.
So for a lot of businesses, right, like they think they need all this infrastructure. And you can think about all the SaaS companies, CRMs, all of that have kind of built massive businesses around this, right? But for your plumber and electrician that doesn't have that budget, right? They go, okay, but I use email, I use text messages, I use calls. Those are the communication systems I have. I don't want to pay for an additional service. And well, now it's a possibility. The only additional service you need is the AI agent you would create with us, right? And you don't need any software anymore. Like I said, we don't have a human onboarding intake team because we don't have to. I got the summary of what they wanted, what the interaction was. Here's the transcript. Okay, great. You're having a problem with this. How can I help?
Wow. So it's evaluating the transcript, which is effectively the email, and identifying information that would make it so that there needs to be a human, response. And then notifying the human when that needs to happen. This can really not only save you time, it can also save you money and then also make you more money by getting you more leads. Like I said, you definitely want to work with an agency that understands how to set that CRM up or that call tracking platform up so that it optimizes the agent specifically for local service ads. That's what we do. We're so specific in what we do because we know what Google wants in terms of answering the phone and how the AI needs to be set up in order to give Google what it wants so that you get what you want. And the way that we set it up for voice, the AI agent says at the beginning, hey, this is Ryan. I'm an AI agent for Accelerate Marketing. If you want to ask me any question, go ahead. If you want to be transferred to a human, we can transfer you to a human. If you want to schedule an appointment, we can do that as well. And then you want to use things like simultaneous calling so you can ring as many numbers as you can at the same time. Again, increase the likelihood that the call is answered. And then like call flow, so you're ringing certain numbers from 9 to 5 and then other numbers from 5 to 9. So in other words, you'd probably want the agent to be on first line for voice and for messaging after hours. And that's the other great thing is that having an agent allows you to go and have your business hours be 24/7. So you'll get leads just from that alone. If you guys have any questions or comments, post any questions that you have on the video. If you want to get a hold of us and have us do an audit, you can text audit to the 619-304-5155 for a free audit of your local service ads. We do help businesses to generate another $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month through the optimization of their Google local service ads and their Google business profile pages. This is one of the strategies that we implement in order to get those results. And it's one that nobody's really using right now. We only want to take on clients that we know that we can help. And we've been doing this for, a long time, almost 15 years. And we're very much specialists in local lead generation for local businesses. So anyway, thanks, S. And let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys later. Talk soon.